Hear me, I said I'm a Najeeri boy representing for King Mix-Up, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah.
Okay, boom, Pharaohs. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you don't know the thing said. Bless. Hoping to have a wonderful day today. But you know my style, one bagger, and one I gotta continue. Give it a daily updates on the people on the see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end. And with that being said, you know, say Kass, CMR ex side chick broken silence on the viral video with her in Jamaica being tossed off stage like a rag doll. You see me, and she is blaming it on the alcohol. Appleton Estate to be exact. Look like said I'm trying to copy Cosmigos. But that's a different story. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. But nevertheless, you know that Kass is not too liked on social media for obvious reasons. People is calling her a home wrecker and all of this stuff. But the people them is uniting and defending her against Najeeri. This is me I say. In fact, some of them is calling him a fish. You know what I mean? Someone from the LGB 100Z community. You see me I say, because it doesn't matter if she was light skinned or white. You see me I say, it's a woman at the end of the day and he should have embraced her. You see me I say. Meanwhile, some people are saying, she too enough and all of this stuff and that she deserve. You see me I say, you know what I mean? Like I said, women are the ones spending money to see you. So you should definitely embrace your fans. And, I know, people, you see me? But like I said, and like Jamie Foxx said, and like Kass said, she's blaming it on the alcohol. You know what I mean? But him could have definitely deal with the program, definitely. Remember, said these are the people that spending money to see you. Unless you're going to perform just for men. You know what I mean? So I'm sure that embrace the daughter. And shun her away differently if it wasn't for her his liking. That's a mess. But I'm just getting the update. She responded. She looked like said she's having a hangover, and I guess she'll do a live later. But putting out the comment section, because them people, I love light skin and white skin people. Putting out the comment section, if it's a man, you think you would push him off for the stage, or hug him up and things. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Now, I see a story that's going, wild on social media. The lady that was murdered by her husband who then committed suicide, unfortunate situation, you see me, but it looked like she might have been related to Andrea Stevens. Probably not blood related, but how people have bonds outside of their family. It looked like he was warning her about her husband, and she never too like it. You see me, I say, how him deal with film program and things, and I guess she never wanted, her story to be out there. But now he's like, I guess he's taking it to heart because him feel like I feel him fault and things. All of these screenshots, and you can read what he's saying. You see me, I say, he's basically explaining good for her, and even though him dead, him going to release the files and all of this stuff. You see me, I say, condolences to the family, but like the story says, cops has identified the husband and wife who were found with gunshot wounds inside a vehicle in Windward Ward on Saturday night. You see me, I say, Heather Mullins Moisten, 59, digital administrator. You see me, I say, and Wesley Moisten. Side. So like I said, go look at the screenshots with Andrea Stevens and see what he's saying, you know what I mean? But he's in mourning and some people is telling him for leave the lady alone and things, but it is what it is, people. Let's proceed to the next. Yeah, but I forgot to mention, Andrea talk about, I guess her children for come out of the house or whoever is in the house for come out. You know what I mean? So I don't know if his life is going to be in danger or anything, but that's a let you know what going for not to go on. You know what I mean? He said they will never get, your inheritance. You see, my people. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, before we get to the bagger with Mackerel and her youth, the 5-month-old one. You see, I say, today is Independence Day. And Shenseea is wishing her country a happy Independence Day. You see, I say, you see her wearing the Chanel flag, pan her body and I drink the cola champagne, you know what I mean? And even though we're not independent, yes, you heard correctly, the British are still in control of the island. It's definitely a good feeling to have your birthday on the Independence Day. As you see, Vibes Kartel is wishing his sister and the queen of dancehall, according to him, a happy birthday and him love her and all of this stuff. And he changed his DP on Instagram to her picture. You see what I'm saying? But I don't think she's keeping a birthday party this year. Because, she coming off a surgery and, the bookings, is backed up. But I'm pretty sure next year she'll keep a thing. I mean? She's in Belize right now. So I'm just giving an update. The world boss has spoken. You see what I said? Let's proceed to the next. Now, Mackerel is causing a frenzy on TikTok because she is preparing, mashed potatoes for her youth, which is under 6 months, years of age. And the people them say no solid food till, 6 months and over. And Gerber food, feeding expensive in America. So I could imagine in Jamaica how it is. So, if you're buying a cup of Irish and then mash it down and thing. So be it, no people picnic grow up on porridge. Well, baby, a couple of months at all of these things. People are so Americanized, but let's see what go on for that to go on and then we'll proceed.
People, happy Sunday. So come with me as I make some mashed potato for my 5-month-old baby. So yeah, that's the potato, the Irish potato, and I'm going to wash it off now because you don't know, say, everybody got markets and feel up and be a thing, so you don't know, say. Cleanliness is part of godliness and support. Understand me? Okay, yes, that. So anyway, that's now I'm going to cut out the potatoes cut them up so we can drop them in the pot and be things. Watch my shirt. Somebody tell me how the shirt, the back of the shirt there. So tell me if I can make it out there. Anyways, my shape good right the same as a good girl marine murder. Whoa, yeah. You understand? So guys, the boy could wait to me to make some feed of thing. Kind could wait for the mashed potato kind greedy. Understand? So I have to give him Similac and I give him Nestum. Mix up that 6 ounce. I'm gonna rather some I feed him. Watch me him greedy fat chunky baby. Chubby. Whoa, drink up that. After that guys, we give him some water. Okay, you don't know, say after I feed and some water. Anyways, we go back to my potatoes still. We cut them up and see there. And I wash them off again. Some do it. Some do that. And that. Yeah. Fix up that. So wash your potato them good, girl. Wash your potato them good. Black off the pipe. Save some water. Chew out the water. Yep. Wash my flash man. Anyway, put some water to a boil and throw some salt in that. Salt. No fresh potato to the baby belly. And as I drop in the potato them now, angle up that, Yeah. Cover the pot there, Right there, so. Oh, I go from far for store the pot there, right through, angle that, yeah. Cover back the pot there, mackerel, right through. Anyways, baby dad, I'm taking him up, so I give him 2 eggs. So you don't know, say mashed potato and egg. Anyways, potato them done boil, I'm gonna put in the butter. I'm gonna mash out that, crush Irish. Anyways, see it, drop in the butter, I'm gonna crush it out, I go crush it out. So the egg them take out the egg, drop in the egg them in there. I don't know why it looks and one looks so, I don't know. So anyways, I'm gonna crush it out. I'm crush it out, I'm gonna want to crush it out.
Yeah, it look like you can go on to me, putting out a comment section, what's the time frame you started feeling solids to your youth? You see me, I say, were you strictly breastfeeding or infamil or Similac? You see me, I say, Horwitz. Boy, oh boy. Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you. Mackerel look good, You see me, I said Mackerel have a good body and all of these things. And she never got designed on your side. All natural and things, you know what I mean? But besides that, these little videos show you the insides of, the type of mother she is. You know what I mean? And it look like says she's a good mother. Just trying, you feel what I'm saying? She definitely cleaned up herself. Per se. You see me, I say, because, she look good of lately. But me just again that update what I go on for that to go and put in the comment section if you co-sign her method in feeding her 5-month-old. You see me? Anyway, people, me now got long out this no longer. Just so I give you a quick update, chat in the night. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.